And the next day, I got a revision of the plan. Yesterday, I went through and wired the outlets back in the overhead. It picked up that extra lamp, and so now I'm using the existing wires of the building to light this place. I rerouted the connection from the outlet. They got one splice there. I probably could eliminate that one splice, but I ran everything up into the overhead, and then I went up and got two more LED fixtures. They're on sale now for they were $14 yesterday, the day before. Now they're $17. They're still not bad. So I got two new fixtures, two more fixtures, and started looking around, and I need being these fixtures work real well. I'm just going to move these up to the house. I need lights down in my room, or better lights down in my room. So I'm replacing these with the LEDs, and then we're going to move the fluorescents up to the house, and that will leave. And I'm thinking that I'm going to hang those other two LEDs in this room, because of the fact that as they're installed, they have a pull cord here to shut them off. And since I'm current electric current limited right now, being able to shut off excess lights is a bonus. So I'll have two lamps in this area that I can shut off. Got a switch installed over here so that I can turn on and shut off this area of lights, and that'll leave me with this room. I think the fixture that's in that other room is identical to this one. So I'm going to hang it in the overhead over here. And that'll free up that drop light that I got hanging there now to move to someplace else. Well, the trouble that I'm reaching is that with the fluorescents in the circuit and all of these lights turned on. When I put these battery chargers in the circuit, also it trips the breaker. So I'm getting close to, and that's a 30 amp. It's a 30 amp breaker, and there's 100 foot of extension cord. So I'm probably getting 20 or 25 effective down here. But these LEDs LEDs pull a lot more or a lot less current. So it's 41 watts. 41 watts divided by 120 volts is 40 divided by 120 is 3 amps. It's a version of 3. There, it might be it might be less. I don't know. There, off the top of my head, I'm going to say 3 amps. So that's a lot better than fluorescence, and because fluorescence you have to power up ballast. So that's my plan. Now I'll have to wire in an outlet, which shouldn't be a big issue, because I started using these push ties. They're spring loaded. You just push the wire. You can hook up 4 wires with 1 connector. They're spring loaded. You just push the bare wire in there, and then it grabs it, and it's got a hold of it. So that works out pretty good for that. All right, for planning this on the go, I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, we'll catch you later.